If you want to expand the storage of your Xiaomi C700 Smart Camera, let's see how you can insert a micro SD or memory card the right way and also access all your recordings once the card is in and ready to use. So for that, first, for safety purpose, it's kind of universally recommended to plug out your smart camera and turn it off. Now, for this particular model, C700, the SD card port is at the back of the camera right beside this power port right here. And as you can see, it's also got a small SD card icon engraved in here. So just grab your micro SD card, align the cutout with the opening, now make sure the metal part faces up, and then just gently insert it into the port. If it clicks, means it's inserted and attached properly. But once it does, just go ahead and plug in the cable. So when the camera turns on properly, it'll rotate 360 degrees. And in a moment, you'll get to hear a voice prompt that an SD card is inserted and detected by the camera. Now to cross-check if it's really connected and access that from the app, just open the app and from this Live Fit section, go to Storage Management, and then tap over the SD card option. You will get a prompt that the card needs to be formatted. If you got any data in here previously saved, it will erase everything. If you're okay with that, just press OK. Now, not gonna lie, this might take a while, so don't worry about this, just wait patiently. When it's done, it'll show formatting successful. And from this dashboard, just make sure SD card is turned on. Now, in the recording section, you gotta select whether you wanna record all events whatsoever or specific ones that the AI algorithm suspects as suspicious activity. Selecting all events will take up much more storage on your SD card more quickly than the specific events. The rest is your call. As you can see, you can unmount or eject your SD card from here and also can format it as well. And from now on, whatever photos or videos you take with your Xiaomi camera will show up in the SD card section. You can then find and access everything in here, date and time-wise. Thanks for watching.